When you are doing keyword research, I recommend you to make a huge list of keywords, something like this. Keywords, traffic, iPhone difficulty, and iPad difficulty. This will help you a lot in the long run. Treat this list as a treasure. Some of you may have known that there are a few websites which are selling such lists of 500 to 1000 keywords for $100 to $2,000, and they may not even be specifically relevant to your apps. By doing this yourself, you may have a treasure of keywords specific to your apps, and you can use them in the long run. So save it. You might want to store it in a fire safe place. Just kidding. With that, we conclude this section. Feel free to ask any questions in the discussion forums. In the next section, I am going to teach you how to use these keywords. See you there.